Alright, what's up guys? So now I have another unboxing, but this box is not from Gymshark. This box right down here is from Myprotein. So now I am a Myprotein ambassador, so I'm sponsored by the company, and Myprotein decided to send me out this huge box. I guarantee you this is at least 45 pounds, like picking this thing up. Alright, let's get this open. So I was pretty picky with what I wanted to get, because I basically, if I'm going to get supplements, I'm only going to use the supplements that will be the most beneficial towards me. So, I mean, obviously I got some shaker cups because you can never have too many. Honestly, I feel like I lost so many shaker cups in the past 4 months, so probably gonna get a lot more of those later on. I got a little pill container. I don't know if I'm actually going to use this or not, but maybe it'll help me be more consistent with taking my creatine, my multivitamins, my fish oil, and not forgetting every morning. Vitamin D3 because I never see the sun enough, so that'll help. BCAAs because why not? Creatine monohydrate Creapure. I don't know, there was another like flavored version, so creatine, so I got that. We'll get into the heavy stuff in a second. Some whey, obviously, nice bagged whey. So this is a no-fat, low-carb protein. This is pure protein. Every scoop's 90 calories. Ooh, protein cookies, because I heard these are really good. Dylan said they were amazing. Dave said they were amazing, so I was curious to try them out. More vitamin D3. Now the big boy stuff. Basically, this is a carb powder. Because I have such a hard time consuming enough carbs in the day, this big-ass carb bag will definitely be able to help me out. It has 190 calories per 1.5 scoops, and it's 47 carbs, or 47 grams of carbs per serving. And last but not least, I got some Impact Whey Protein. It's 100 calories a scoop. I should have got the mass gainer. I didn't get the mass gainer because I didn't really think about it, but this is their Impact Whey Protein. What was their other one? Impact Whey Isolate. Okay, so the Isolate's just straight up protein. Impact Whey Protein is 100 calories a serving per 1 scoop. 2 grams of fat, 1 carb, and 20 grams of protein. So this is not bad at all. It's a huge bag. This is what, 11 pounds? Yep, 11-pound bag. That's it. That box was what? 2, 4. Yeah, that box was like 30 pounds, something like that. Alright, cool. So, there's really nothing special, crazy about supplements. You won't make crazy progress, crazy gains, and blow up. You won't see these. Basically, there is no supplement that will blow you up. All supplements are just tools to help you along the way. Creatine, protein, that carb supplement, the protein cookies, and vitamins really, honestly, in my opinion, is all you really need. I didn't get a multivitamin because I have my own multivitamin that I use, but besides that and the BCAAs that are there, BCAAs definitely do help out when you're cutting down, leaning out, and you're not consuming as much food. All this stuff is going to help me out with getting my calories in, getting my macros in, and hopefully my micros too. If you guys are interested in getting anything, if you are curious about the product, try it out. I encourage you to. My code is Qwin, Qwin. I'll put it right here. Basically, you'll get 20% off any item on the store, and if the item is already discounted, for some reason they have a sale, you'll get an extra 10% off of that sale. Honestly, this is the most affordable. This 11-pound bag right there, this big-ass bag, only $62 for 11 pounds. You get any other protein for 5 pounds, that's going to be up in the $50, $60. This, for double that, is $60 flat, the same price as you would get for 5 pounds. I forgot to mention, Myprotein has this whey called Hurricane Extreme. It's a 3-scoop, 290 calorie, 30 grams of carbs, 38 grams protein, 1 gram of fat. So how I'm going to try to make my shakes is basically, I'm going to do 2 scoops of the maltodextrin and 2 scoops of the whey. Ooh, and then I'm going to throw in some creatine, some BCAAs, and whatever that is.
If she got a pound, she might just serve it. Pop a perky just to start her. Pop 2 cups of purple just to warm up. 2 cups. Drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash. Drip. Drip. Splash. Hey. Slippery. Wall. Excuse me. Please me. Please. I'm up. Believe me. Believe me. Believe me. Get beat. Cause I'm flexing Rari's. You can bet on me.
I realized, Dave, and Christian realized the other night that we are so out of shape cardio-wise that it's terrible. Like when we were running routes for football and doing sprints and stuff, we were so goddamn winded. It was ridiculous. So we decided to all start doing morning runs, cardio before we lift, and kind of like improve our athleticism because this is not acceptable.
I'm going in for murder. Oh, pay attention, Mr. Officer. Never gonna catch me, you're never gonna catch me. No, 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 no. You are gonna waste your time. You are gonna waste your time. Your time. I won't put you on tonight. You won't put me in the jail. Oh, no, you were never gonna catch me. You are never gonna catch me.
So me and Jonah are out in Longport, a beach city like right outside of our hometown, and we're flying the drone right now. It's way up there, and of course it draws a crowd.